Today, we're making the ultimate comfort food upgrade, Panacheeza garlic knots. Buttery, garlicky, herb-packed, and finished with a generous sprinkle of Panacheeza. These knots are the perfect appetizer, side dish, or snack, and I promise they disappear fast. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees and lining a baking sheet with parchment paper. Take half a pound of room temperature refrigerated pizza dough and roll it into a flat rectangle on your cutting board. Use your hands to form it into a 12-inch log, then cut it into 10 to 12 equal pieces. Roll each piece into a rope and gently tie each one into a knot. Place them on your prepared baking sheet. In a bowl, mix together 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 3 to 5 pressed garlic cloves, half a teaspoon each of oregano, basil, and thyme, half a teaspoon salt, quarter teaspoon black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of Panacheeza. This buttery herb mixture is going to infuse every bite with flavor. Brush the knots generously with your butter herb mixture, making sure you coat all sides. Sprinkle another tablespoon of Panacheeza over the top for that extra cheesy flavor. Pop them in the oven for 13 to 15 minutes until the tops are golden brown and irresistible. Right out of the oven, brush on more of your garlic butter mixture, then sprinkle with the remaining Panacheeza and fresh chopped parsley. And there you have it, warm, garlicky, cheesy Panacheeza garlic knots. Soft and pillowy on the inside, golden and buttery on the outside, with all the flavor of traditional garlic knots, but completely plant-based. Serve them immediately, but fair warning, they won't last long. All right, we're gonna try these garlic knots together. Make sure you have warm marinara sauce. You can also use pesto. Today we're doing marinara. Here's our beautiful garlic knot. Nice and cheesy, buttery with the herb butter sauce, some fresh parsley, and of course, layers of Panacheeza. Here we go. These are the best garlic knots I've ever had. Plant-based, dairy-free, of course, easy to make at home. I hope there's not sauce on my face right now, but honestly, it's all worth it. Let's have another bite. Fluffy, cheesy, buttery. Mwah! Bellissima.